Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with HubSpot CRM easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Go to the HubSpot website. If you don't have an account, click on the Get Started Free button. Fill in your details to create a new account. Once registered, sign in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard. Look for the CRM section in the main menu. Click on CRM to access the Customer Relationship Management features. To connect with other tools, go to the Integrations option. Here, you will find various applications that can be integrated with HubSpot. Browse through the available options and select the ones you want to connect. Click on the desired integration for more details. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the integration. You may need to log in to the other platform you wish to connect. Grant the necessary permissions for the integration to work seamlessly. After successful authorization, return to your HubSpot dashboard. You should now see the connected tools listed under Integrations. To manage your contacts, click on Contacts in the CRM menu. Here, you can add new contacts or import from other platforms. To import, click on the Import button. Follow the prompts to upload your contact list. Map the fields correctly to ensure all data aligns. Once imported, review your contacts to ensure accuracy. To utilize other features, explore the Deals and Tickets sections. Set up your sales pipeline by clicking on Deals. Add stages that correspond with your sales process. Fill in the necessary details for each deal. To track customer support, click on the Tickets section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.